When it comes to applying exterior stain, there are several options: a brush, painting pad, roller, or spray gun. Let's take a look at each.
When using a brush, it's best to pour the stain from the can into a smaller container. To load the brush, dip it into the stain, then slap it on the sides to distribute the material and remove any excess. Brush in the direction of the grain, working a section at a time and keeping the leading edge wet. One of the advantages of a brush is that it works the stain well into the surface. On the other hand, brushing is one of the more time-consuming methods of application. Getting into the grooves in this siding means turning the brush vertical. A painting pad is also a good application tool. In this case, pour the stain into a roller pan, saturate the face of the pad, then draw the pad over the pan ridges. Because of the pad's width and its ability to hold a considerable amount of material, it's speedier than the brush. Yet, like the brush, it works the paint thoroughly into the surface. Getting into grooves and other details, though, still requires some brushing. Using a roller to apply stains means choosing the best nap length, either 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, or 3/4 inch. Generally speaking, the rougher the surface, the longer the nap. Rollers can hold quite a bit of paint and distribute it quickly. Again, work in smaller areas and keep the leading edge wet. One downside of a roller, though, is the need to back brush in order to ensure the stain is worked well into the surface. This goes quite quickly, though. You'll also need to brush in the details. Handheld airless paint sprayers can easily handle materials like this water-based stain. Try to keep the spray gun at a constant distance and move at a consistent speed. This unit can spray a pattern up to 12 inches wide, which makes it ideal for larger jobs like this. Here too, you'll need to back brush to make sure the stain is worked thoroughly into the surface.
Well, there you have it, 4 ways to apply exterior stain. Just pick the one you like best.